It's another Steve Spangler Science Monday, and today we're making bowling balls float in, what is this?
It's water, and everybody's been asking that question. So here's the easiest way to do it. I'm going to help you, and you're going to get into the water. So
What? No, Steve.
All right, and then I just hand you the... All right, well, if you want to do it the hard way, we can do it the hard way. So, all right, take a look at the gander, the bowling ball selection here. Right, I did not lift them from a bowling alley. I actually, these are defective ones, or maybe ones that people don't want anymore to garage sale or something.
Right.
I didn't know this, but all bowling balls are exactly the same size. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
So I checked out, and according to the Pro Bowlers Association, no ball should be more than 27 inches, nor less than 26.7 inches in circumference. So, so they all have to be the same, and I didn't realize that. So the only difference is the amount of stuff that they put inside, so the density of the bowling ball.
Okay.
So here, for example, hand me the 12-pound ball. There's the, see, look at, there you go. Here's the 12-pound ball. Float or sink, what do you think?
Sink.
All right, let's take a look and see. Float or sink, and...
Float!
Look at this. Oh,
even once all the air came out of the hole.
This is the amazing weight. So if anybody asks, what's the weight? The 12 pounds is the amazing weight, because 12 pounds is almost exactly, if you calculate the density of it,
right,
almost exactly 1. And the density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. So that's the amazing weight. So here, take a look at this one here. Let's take a look at the white one. The white one is 16 pounds.
Okay.
So grab that 16-pounder. Oh, good. Now, you and I will just toss it back and forth for fun later on, all right? So absolutely no problem at all. The 16-pounder sinks with no problem at all, just because its overall density is greater than 1. So it's really at about 1.3, somewhere around there. And this is an 8-pound ball. Again, the same size, but this is an 8-pound ball. And so this sits over here. It really is, watch this, it's no wonder that floats. So if you're looking for a bathtub toy for your friend, your niece, your nephew, you just get them an 8-pound bowling ball. What could be more fun than that? It'll take out the side of the bathtub, but it's a tremendous amount of fun to play with. It's one of these things that's great for kids to kind of take a look at as well, because you look at it and you say, an aircraft carrier floats, how does that work? And Archimedes says that when you put something in water, it displaces its weight in water, and so of course it's displacing its weight in water, but it just, the volume of the bowling ball is bigger than 8 pounds of water, if you think of it that way. So the magic is 12 pounds.
12 pounds.
So 12, sometimes you can get 12 to just barely float. Let's see if there's big enough for...
There it is.
See, they're all jockeying for position in there. See how it goes? But just going to barely float that way. And now you've answered the question, does a bowling ball actually float? And the answer is yes, anything under 12 pounds will float, and anything over 12 pounds will sink. And if you can find a 12-pounder, it just barely hovers. And we've answered your question. So
well, thanks, Steve.
You sure you don't want to get in the water again?
I'm absolutely positive.
It's fun.
Maybe next time.